Hey there, Joe here from ShortPoint. Today I want to show you our new image boxes design element. I am working on an HR landing page here, and I want to add in a few links below my header section. And to do that, I'm going to add in a new design element, and then we're going to click on our image boxes design element. We've got a couple placeholders that get added by default when we add that image boxes element. I'm going to go to the employee hub item and I could go ahead and change this. Maybe this is going to be called remote work policies. We can go ahead and update that. I also have an image that I'm going to drop in here. So we'll put in a new image, maybe for that image URL. There's a couple positioning settings for the horizontal and vertical alignment of the image within this box. I'm going to leave those as it is now. That looks good. We could change the description if we wanted to add a description here. We can also adjust the link label. By default, and I'll show you this setting in a moment, this link label right now, it says learn more, is going to be the same for all of the items in this image boxes element. If we wanted to change that link label for just this item, we can do that here. Of course, we would put in an additional link, and then finally we can change how this link opens. Does it open in a new window, a Lightbox, which is like a pop-up, a new window, or again, a dialog, which is also similar to that Lightbox. It's going to pop up on your screen there. If we come back and go to the design tab here, there's a couple different styles. This style 1 almost looks like these boxes are kind of raised on the page with the shadow behind them. If you do this style 2, that gets a little bit more of a flat effect there. We'll set it back to style 1 for now. We can change the color for these items. That's going to change our title and our link label there. There's also a dark mode we could enable. For now, I'm going to set it back to the light mode, but we've got a couple options there. You can apply random colors, so that's going to kind of change the text color throughout these, give you a little variance to the colors that we see there. You could align this content to the left or the right if you wanted to. Again, I like the center in this example here. Finally, we can adjust the image height, and maybe I want to make that a little bit smaller. We could also adjust the items per row. If I had a 4th link, maybe I want to have 4 items per row here. You can see that gives us a little space to add that 4th item there. For now, we'll set this back to 3. The last tab I want to show today is the advanced tab. There's a few additional settings here. On the content, this is where you can set that link label that's going to apply for all of these items. So rather than changing it one by one, we could just change it here. You'll also see we can adjust the title, description, or link size. There's a couple background settings as well. If we wanted to change the background color for these, we could adjust that here. You can also change the roundness settings. So right now we've got some nice rounded corners. If I want those to be just a little less rounded, we can make that adjustment here. And then the last option at the bottom is the color settings. So we can change the description color, or we can change that link color at the bottom there as well. Thanks for watching this video about our new image boxes design element.